Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to remove metadata from photos. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, if you right-click on an image file and choose the Properties option, you'll see a variety of information about the file. By navigating to the Details tab, you can find sensitive details such as the type of camera used, the flash mode, and other metadata associated with the image. These details, while often useful for photographers and technical purposes, can pose privacy concerns if shared publicly. To remove this sensitive information before sharing the image online, you can follow a simple process. First, click on the Remove Properties and Personal Information link at the bottom of the Details tab. This action opens a new window where you can choose to either create a copy of the image with all properties removed or selectively remove the properties from the original file. If you opt to remove all properties, select the option to remove the following properties from this file and then click Select All. This will ensure that all metadata, including the camera settings and personal details, are stripped from the image. Finally, click the OK button to confirm the changes. After doing this, you can safely share the image on the internet without worrying about exposing sensitive information. So that's basically how to remove metadata from photos. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.